Okay, now we're doing an external 36.5 millimeter by 1.5 millimeter thread. First I have to return the cross slide to 0. It was moved out so that I could return it to the starting position without wiping out the thread. Now this time we're going to take 5/1000ths cut. We're up to 25 thousandths now on this thread. I'm experimenting with some lube here. And there I just hopped around, didn't give you guys much warning, but I saw the B come up. Now I'm going to back the cross slide out, return to starting position, and take another look. Yeah, it's starting to look better. Take a look with a magnifying glass because we're getting kind of old. Okay, so far we are about 25 thousandths deep, so we've still got quite a bit of the flat left. We'll take the electric brake off. Of course, not all these have that. A lot of them have a foot brake, or some of them even just goes to a stop. Okay, we got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.2 tenths. Okay, there we're back to 0. Okay, let's go ahead and let's experiment with a larger cut this time. That's about 8 thousandths. We'll just see what she does. Double check the brake. Turn it on and go. Stop. Okay, we'll back her out. Take her down to the other end, and I can see the flat is getting close to going away now, but actually the thread is starting to shape up a bit. We'll go back to 0. Actually, I think I went past 0 there. You go back and then charge back in case we have any slack in the lead screw, or whatever the hell the screw is called. Cross slide screw. Sounds pretty good to me. Okay, this time, let's take 3 thousandths cut. See what that looks like. I've sped the lathe up a bit, and I think that might, well, it's only 450, but I think that might be helping her to look a little bit better. We're using high-speed steel cutting wheel. Go. Stop. Out. Off. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm wild about that look. It's all rough on the top. But let's go back to 0.